What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Spokane, Washington. The last vlog you guys saw, we were in Bali. Now we're back home in Spokane and I'm super freaking excited to get back to work on the 600 horsepower Evo 10. As soon as that car is finished up, I should probably focus on that Evo 10. All that car needs is the ABS system fixed. It's still throwing the ABS code and the all-wheel drive system codes, so we got to get that fixed. But guys, before we do anything today, I know we have some packages in the shop, so I want to open up the shop and we should have some nice parts in for the Evo 8. I've never ran these are Yellow Speed Racing. As you can see right here, Mitsubishi Evo 8 03 to 05. I am super excited to get these on the car. And down here we have some wheels. I'll show you guys later. We have so little stuff left to do. Oil cooler, everything on the table pretty much. Oil cooler, intercooler, headlights. The one thing that we need to do today is get the oil cooler on, but we need to go get new lines for the oil cooler. So we'll be doing that later on. It's gonna be a minute before we get to work on the Evo 10 because we have a ton of orders to ship out. Holy shit, it's cold. Guys, it's 15 degrees or 16 degrees out right now. I think I realized after coming home from warm weather, coming back to like really cold weather, is I really don't want to be in Spokane next winter. So I need to get my ass to work and I want to move out of Spokane. Bobby and I have talked about it forever. I don't know where we're gonna go, but damn, I don't like being cold. We also had 2 DHL packages that came in. A ton of new sweaters that didn't show up in time for the launch. These are the nicest sweaters I've found to date. And show you. These things are so freaking nice, guys. Super nice embroidered Boston stitching right here. These sweaters fit 100% true to size. The other 2 sweaters we had on the site, those are running a size small. These things right here are much thicker and they run true to size. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this thing on and see how it fits. Oh my gosh, that fits so nice. Damn. I'm gonna try to get these up on the site by the end of this video, so go down in the description box below. First link down below is a link to the site. Before we get working on cars, we have so many orders to ship out. Let's go ahead and bust that out right now and then we can get to work on the Evo 10. I do have to run in, grab some braided line, and then we should be able to get the oil cooler on and maybe do the first startup today. That'd be super sick. It's about 4 hours later. We finally got all of the orders packaged up. So many freaking orders. I can't thank you guys enough for all of the support on the Boston launch this time around. Absolutely amazing. Seriously, thank you guys so much. I would not be here today without you guys on YouTube. Let's go get all these dropped off. And I think I found a set of wheels for Bobby's car. We may go pick those up as well when we run into town to drop these packages off and pick up the braided line. If the deal works out, they're a really nice set of wheels and we really need a set of wheels right now. Well, I ended up picking up a set of wheels for Bobby's car. They're really dope wheels, but I think Bobby wants them all black. So I'll go outside with my flashlight and show you what they are. And I also did pick up 3 feet of the oil cooler line. It's just like a braided line. So that hopefully that's enough to get this oil cooler on. But yeah, let me show you these wheels and then we can head into the shop and get to work, get some Evo stuff done on the white Evo 10. Yeah. So here they are. They are Wedsport SA10RR, 18 by 10.5. Plus 20s. So perfect fit for Evo 10. That's the same setup or the same like specs I have in mine, but they're like black with polished spoke kind of things. Bobby wants them all black though, so we'll be probably powder coating them all black unless I can change your mind because they look dope as is. So the first thing we're going to be doing is working on the oil cooler. As soon as we get the cooler on, we should be able to get the rest of the stuff on the front of the car on, the radiator, crash beam, all that good stuff. So let's move this table, bust out this oil cooler. This is the kit we're using. It's the MAP Rev 2 kit, and it came with lines. They were just a little bit too short, and I could not get them to fit right, so I had to go pick up 3 feet of line. So yeah, let's get the table moved, get the oil cooler on, and hopefully we can get a lot of work done on this car today. All right, we got the braided lines made. From here, it's just putting the lines onto the car, getting the oil cooler fully bolted up, and getting that oil cooler duct thing back on, that plastic piece right there. And then we'll be all done with the oil cooler setup. Well, I just destroyed a AC line. This one here, it bent just a little bit too much. Oh, and cracked off all the way. So I'll have to replace that. Oil cooler's done, radiator's on. My sweet bent AC condenser that I'll probably end up replacing now that I have to replace that line and recharge the whole system. Got that guy on. From here, we're gonna get this upper radiator support on and the front crash beam, lower radiator hose, and then we can move on to the turbo kit. All right, let's move on to the turbo kit. So we need to reassemble the turbo. All the seals came in for the 6266 Precision. So we gotta get the turbo back together, and then we can get the manifold, turbo, all the dump tubes, the wastegates, everything back onto this car. All right, the turbo is all finished up. So the first thing we're gonna do is deal with the wastegates and dump tubes. We're gonna get both of those on the car, and then we're gonna go with the manifold, and then from there, the turbo. Everything's gonna kind of stay loose until we get turbo and manifold bolted together. It's all V-band, so it's kind of adjustable, and I hope I have this turbo clocked right. I'm pretty sure I do. It's just the direct opposite, so intake versus, or cold side versus hot side, intake versus exhaust, it's completely opposite. So I think I got that all set straight. all the hard stuff for the turbo kit is done. Only thing we have left is the downpipe and oil feed and line, and then we just have the intake later on. We still need to get the stock ECU back on. I pulled it off a while ago when I was messing with the abandoned Evo project. It is getting pretty late out though, and I do not have oil or a filter, so we cannot start the car tonight. We will definitely be starting it up tomorrow. We're pretty much finished up. We only have a few little things left. Add some oil, add a filter, and add gear oil to the transmission, and we should be good to go for the first startup. This car's coming a long way. We got quite a bit done today, but it is time to wrap it up for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was gonna get these sweaters up on the site before this video went live, but they're gonna be up before next video, so check up on the site like tomorrow, and these things will be live on the site. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the first startup. Hopefully, if everything goes as planned, first startup of the Evo 10.